Welcome to aminacademy.com. In chemistry, let us do some introduction. What is chemistry? Chemistry is mostly concerned with the properties of chemicals and with the changes of chemicals can undergo. In our everyday life, chemistry is more concerned with our life. Now, the clothes that we are wearing or food we are eating is made of chemicals. The the air every seconds we need also made up of chemicals. Chemistry is concerned with the properties of chemicals and with the changes of chemicals that can undergo. A chemical is any substance that has a definite composition based of basic elements and components. It is always made up of some stuff no matter where the chemicals comes from. Some chemicals like water, carbon dioxide, oxygen that naturally available. Others such a chemicals like a polythene are manufactured. Now still some other chemicals like aluminium, iron are taken from natural materials. We depends on chemical every day. Many people may think the chemical is negative terms. That means it's a harmful. Really, all chemicals are not harmful if you handle the chemicals correctly, then it will be a friendship to us, not a enemy. That people thinks the chemical is a negative term as the cause of pollution, explosion, and cancer, etc. Some even believe that chemicals and chemicals additives should be banned. But just think about what such a ban would mean. That means, after all, everything around you is composed of chemicals. If you banned all the things, we cannot live a life. Imagine, suppose you are going to buy a fruit or vegetables grown without the use of any chemicals at all. Because water is a chemical, the produce section would be completely empty. That means if there is no water, we cannot produce any fruits, seeds, any vegetables like. In fact, the entire world concerned with chemicals. Next one we'll talk about chemical reaction happen all around us. The chemical reaction are taking place around you and inside you also. Even in your body, chemical reaction is happening continuously. That means digesting and other things, necessary things to grow the body is concerned with chemical reaction. Chemical reaction are necessary for living things to grow and for dead things to decay. That means your birth to death, the chemical is necessary. When you cook food, you are carrying out a chemical reactions. Taking a suppose we are making up some food. That means we are giving heat to react. That food should react. That means we are producing one phase to other phase. Like means we are putting a rice in a pot and adding water and heat up. That means chemical reaction is happening for food production. Using reaction to manufacture chemical is a big industry. Here, that means all concerned with the chemical is very important terms that we are using as well. Our daily life, it must be used properly. That means here chemical is not a rival to us, but it friends to us. That means if you are using properly the chemical or day to day life, the chemical is very useful to our life. Further, we'll discuss in further videos. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.